Guys, this is Jenna Jacobs, and I am going to show you what I've learned about Khan Academy Kids. It is an app that I found on the AASL website that we were given. It was listed as one of the best apps for 2019. And so when I went to click on it from the website, it took me to Khan Academy. And so note that Khan Academy is different than Khan Academy Kids. So I had to go find a website that walked me through how to sign up for this. And so this website that I found is really great in walking me through what I needed to know in order to set up my app. And so really all you need is an email account, a parent does. And it says that when you go, you're going to first download the app in your app store. So it's good for Apple devices, Google Play, Amazon devices. They did recommend that you use a Gmail account just to make sure that their email gets sent to you to ensure that delivery. So then you're going to go, once you sign up, you're going to go check in and verify your email account. Once you have verified your email, then you can go back into your app and create your account. So if you note here, if you have more than one child, so it'll say parents, but if you're a teacher, it says that you can switch to the teacher setup, and it'll prompt you to that when you go into log into your app. That way you can set up more than one kid in your class. So you're going to go in and you're going to add all of the students that are in your class. You can select their age, you can select their avatar, and then you'll be set up to go. After you've gotten your account set up and your class list put in there, then what I really liked about this is that you can preview the games before you assign them. So you can play them to make sure that that's what you want. And you can assign them to the whole class or individual students. So it can be differentiated per your student, which I really love. And I have a short video here that I made on how I did that. So I went in and I clicked on the 1, 2, 3, and I clicked on groups of 7, and it let me play this, preview it and play it just to make sure that it's what I wanted for my particular students. And I played a couple of rounds, and then once I was done previewing it and I knew that that's what I wanted, over here on the left hand side is a heart with a plus sign. So you're going to click on that, and like I said, you can assign it to all of your students that are on your class list, or you can select individual students. After your students have been allowed time to play whatever games that you have assigned to them, then you can go back into your teacher dashboard and check their progress. So it automatically updates. There's no extra steps, especially for the little kids. I know I teach kindergarten, and so they don't have to learn how to save and send their work. It's just automatically there. So I made a short video of what that looks like looking at the teacher's dashboard. So after here's you logging into your dashboard, and then you can go in and click on each individual student. So I played on Sally's just to test it out, and you can see that 100% made progress, and then the other ones that I've assigned, she has not started yet. And this app would be great to be used in my kindergarten classroom. We do a lot of small group rotations for math and reading, and so when the students aren't with me or with another teacher, then they have choices, and one of their choices is technology. One thing that kind of shied me away from technology during that time is the accountability piece, and so I really liked that this app allows for the accountability on the students' part, because they know that I'm going to be checking to see that they are doing their work. And so really when I was looking at figure 4.2 in our textbook of the SAMR model, I would categorize this as augmentation because it acts like a direct tool substitute for a teacher directly teaching it, but it has functional improvement. So if a student gets it wrong, then this app provides feedback. And like I said, the host is always in the corner saying, remember, if you need help, click me. And so anytime that the student needs help or gets stuck, then they could have that little helper there in the corner. So in connection with Bloom's taxonomy, I would say this is applying their skills that they know. A lot of this is, being able to identify letters and picking the right ones, or identifying, like we saw with the numbers, the subitizing the dots and identifying those correct numbers. So this is a great app, and I'm excited to actually use this in my classroom this upcoming school year. I really enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys take a look at it as well.